Of the 7 miles of protected coastline in Carlsbad, California, only a handful of single-family residences are available on the sand. We here at the LundTeam are proud to represent the owner in this incredible opportunity at 2731 Ocean Street. Currently set up as a duplex and featuring favorable zoning, 2731 Ocean Street provides a multitude of potential opportunities for the next owner. A luxury residence, family compound. You will also enjoy easy access to Carlsbad's ever-evolving downtown with award-winning restaurants, coaster access, and more. We want you to search along the coast, and you will find that being not above the ocean, but on the sand is rare, especially with as much beach frontage that 2731 Ocean Street provides. The vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean is laid at your feet. Give us a call at 760-438-0800 for a private showing, or visit us at LundTeam.com. Thank you.